Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting eco-friendly energy solution, the 18,000W vertical wind turbine generator kit. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The 18,000W vertical wind turbine is a powerful windmill designed to harness renewable energy for both home and business applications. It operates on a 48V system, making it a robust choice for industrial energy supply, while also being versatile enough for residential use. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First, this turbine is incredibly adaptable, making it ideal for various settings. Whether you're looking to supplement energy for a boat, a gazebo, a cabin, or even a mobile home, this vertical wind turbine fits seamlessly into your energy solutions. Its design allows it to capture wind from all directions, ensuring enhanced energy efficiency even at varying wind speeds. The turbine is perfect for eco-conscious users who want a reliable source of renewable energy. Safety is another key feature of this wind turbine. It employs precision injection molding technology with 3 arc-shaped vertical blades crafted in one piece. This innovative design minimizes the risk of blade detachment, significantly enhancing both safety and performance. For those passionate about renewable energy, this makes the turbine a trustworthy option. Noise can often be a concern with wind turbines, but not with this one. Thanks to its dual bearings that enhance stability, this efficient fan minimizes vibration and noise. Its compact design ensures optimal performance even at low wind speeds, allowing for a wider airflow range. This means you can enjoy reliable energy generation without the disturbance of loud operation, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Now, who is this wind turbine kit suitable for? It's perfect for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint, businesses seeking an alternative energy source, and even enthusiasts interested in maximizing their renewable